Good morning, everyone. Unless you're on the East Coast, then it's good evening. Today I want to talk about flat tires. I get them all the freaking time, and I'm so sick of them. Right now I live in Utah, and I get goat heads, and they just go through everything. They go through tire liners, they go through the puncture-resistant tubes, and I don't like putting slime in it. That just makes it a mess. So today I'm going to try, hopefully, a one-stop shop. It's called the Tannus Armour. So I want to open it up, show you what it looks like, and then I'm going to do an install. Just a real quick video. Hopefully this helps you guys out. If you like it, like it. Alright, so what this thing is, or is supposed to be, half an inch or so of this foam. So like right where the tire meets it right here, should be like half an inch of just pure foam. And then the tire still goes underneath it. It just adds like a half inch of foam. So that goat heads and crap like that will just go in here and just stick in there, but it won't hit the tube. Let's go see how nicely this thing goes in. Alright, I got the inner tube in the Tannus liner. Seems like it's way too big to be fitting in there, but let's see. Maybe once I fill it up, it'll kind of take care of itself. I'm going to put it in the tire, and then let's see. This is making me nervous. It doesn't look like there's enough for it to expand into. These are both 24 by 2.5 inch, so it should be fine. It's making me nervous, but let's see. Let's carry on. A lot of gap. I guess this thing expands quite a bit, so we'll see. Oh my god. This is so freaking frustrating. It stretches, so it's like you're fighting with it, and then it doesn't want to sit in there because it's fat too. Come on, it keeps popping out. Ugh. Finger strength you gotta have. It's getting close though. Oh, finally got it in there. That was pretty hard. It was kind of frustrating because like that little tube thing stretches out. So it was kind of tough to get that in there, but hopefully it's in there now. All right, let's try blowing it up. Blowing it up? Filling it up. Am I gonna blow this thing up? Hopefully I don't blow it up. All right, let's get it filled up. Okay, got the front tire done. Took about 30 minutes and a lot of headache. First tire, rear tire, took less time for some reason. Took about 20 minutes and a lot of headache. They say easy installation. That was not easy. It was a pain. My fingers are, maybe I don't know if I did something wrong, but I don't think I did. And I feel like these should have been easier because they're kind of fat tires. They're 24 by 2.6 inch tires. I feel like if they were the real thin ones, that'd be even harder. But they're on now. I'm going to fill them up. The tube's kind of bunched up in there, so I'm going to fill it up, let the air out, fill it up, do that a few times to kind of smooth out the tube in there, and take it for a test ride. I'm going to do a 45-mile ride on these Tannus tire liners. Let's see how they hold up. It's going to be a pretty big ride. Alright, so just got back from a night ride. Did 48 miles on the new Tannus tire liner, front and rears, and handled really well. Felt just like I had normal tubes in there. Didn't really even notice a difference at all. Probably ran over a bunch of goat heads and didn't make a difference. So yeah, so far, first 50 miles, big fan of them. We'll see. I'll give you a long-term review here in a little bit. But this might be a great alternative to never having to change your tires again, unless you run over like a nail or something that's going to go through that like half inch of foam. Hope you guys liked it. If you did like it. Get it? And if you really like these videos, I put out a lot of e-bike and bike content. So if you like that type of stuff, you should subscribe. See you in the next one.